I'm Tim from My Engineering. At My Engineering, we've become passionate about using the Artec Leo 3D scanner for leak repair because we've seen such fantastic results when companies incorporate the Leo scanner into their leak repair workflow. We created this course for leak repair technicians, for operators, and for mechanical service contractors who intend to use the Artec Leo 3D scanner for taking field measurements. In this course, you'll learn all about operating the Artec Leo scanner, how to configure the Leo, field scanning techniques, data transfer best practices, and also some advanced tips and how to solve various troubleshooting scenarios. We've also included in this course a comprehensive training manual that you can download and some various procedures. This course has been divided into bite-sized video chunks. It's very accessible. You can watch it on your phone or on your computer, and you'll have lifetime access so you can go back to the training material as often as you need. The course is available instantly by signing up below. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope to see you in lesson 1.